we're going to make a super amazing, organic, gluten-free and healthy chocolate chip cookie in a microwave and in a mug. Oh, so cool. So I'm going to quickly tell you what the ingredients are. So we have 1 tablespoon of unsalted melted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of almond flour to make it gluten-free, and 1 egg yolk, a pinch of salt, some chocolate chips, and your mug. So let's get started. First, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Then, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's give it a nice stir. We need to be sure that we give it a nice mix. Okay, now let's add a pinch of salt. And then goes in our egg yolk. And for those who are vegetarians, you can use 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gel. Let's stir it nicely. And make it into a nice smooth paste like this. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. So in goes our almond flour. And let's give it a nice stir. So this is how our cookie dough looks right now, and let's continue beating it. And make sure to put the chocolate chip cookies at the end because we don't want any chocolate chips breaking. Let's make sure all our cookie dough goes in the bowl. Okay, now let's add our amazing dark chocolate chips. So in goes the delicious chocolate chips. And now let's mix it slowly. Let's remove it again. Now let's microwave this for 40 seconds. So let's set the time to 40 seconds and go. So since today's Thursday, I really felt like indulging, but at the same time, I'm not overindulging. So this dessert is amazing for people who love quick desserts. So let's keep our toothpick ready to check the cookie. Okay, it's not yet done, but it'll be done shortly. I think we need to keep it for 20 more seconds. 20. There you go, and go. Oh, now our 20 seconds are done. Quick check. It's steaming. I think it should be done, but if you don't think it's done, then you can put it for 10 seconds more. So I'm gonna put it for 10 seconds more, just for it to be nice and crispy, because now it's soft. So if we put it for like 10 seconds more, it'll be amazingly crispy. Okay, I am super sure the cookie is done. Yay! Let's check it again, and it's done. It would be crispy at the bottom. So let's dig in. Amazing! This is so delicious, and I'm sure you will love it too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye!